Good morning, UKG children. Welcome to Gautam Model School, Panasthalipuram. How are you all, children? Doing good, everyone? Yes, you are seeing your textbook page number 34. Right. So, let us write E words. What words, children? E words. And how the word is pronounced also you will be learning today. Okay. So, what is this, children? B-E-D. Bed. B-E-D. B-E-D. Bed. Bed. Here, dots are given in the first line, children, for your better practice, children. Okay. Here, you don't go here and there, children, follow the line alignment, children. Okay. Here, I am going to write one word for you. Okay. So, B, standing line from first red line to second blue line and make a left open curve. Now, small sleeping line and make a right open curve in between two blue lines. Now, make a standing line from red line to second blue line and go up and make a right open curve between two blue lines. B-E-D. Bed. Have you observed, children, how I have written this B letter and D letter? In B letter, I have started from the red line, standing line, then left open curve I said here. Here, right open curve I said. Right, children? So, left open curve makes B, right open curves make D. And sleeping line in between two blue lines. Small sleeping line and make a right open curve between two blue lines. Bed. So, you will be following these lines, children. In the same way, all the words you will be writing. Start from the red line, make a up hook and come down with a standing line and a small sleeping line on the first blue line. And now, make a sleeping line and right open curve E and make a right open curve, go up and join the red line and come down. This is D. Okay. So, in this way, you will be writing all the words, children. Now, B-E-D, bed. F-E-D, fed. R-E-D, red. D-E-N, den. Repeat after me, children. P-E-N, pen. T-E-N, ten. B-E-L-L, bell. B-E-L-L, bell. S-E-L-L, cell. T-E-L-L, tell. W-E-L-L, well. So, everyone, children, complete this page today by repeating the words. So, all these words, while writing, you need to follow the proper lines and complete the words. Even this word also I want to show you, children. A small standing line between two blue lines, children, and make a slight slant line. A slight curve, children. A small curve in between two blue lines. And R-E-D. First right open and go up, touch the line and come down on the same line. D, red. Now, right open between two blue lines, go up and touch the red line and come down. D. Now, sleeping line and a right open curve. E. Now, standing line and a hump in between two blue lines. N. Den. Small sleeping line here, start from the first blue line till second red line. Go up in the same way, make a left open curve in between two blue lines. E, sleeping line and a right open curve. Standing line and a hump in between two blue lines. Pen. Standing line from red line to second blue line and a down hook. A small sleeping line on the first blue line. And E, sleeping line, right open curve. And here standing line and a hump between two blue lines. 10. Standing line and make a left open curve between two blue lines. P, E, L, standing line from red line to second blue line. Red line to second blue line, another L. Bell. Now S, in between two blue lines, right open curve, left open curve in between two blue lines. S, E, L, L, cell. T, down hook and a sleeping line on the first blue line. E, L, L, tell. Now slant line in between two blue lines, one more slant line, another slant line, one more slant line in between two blue lines, and a sleeping line, right open curve, standing line, and one more standing line, L, L, well. So in this way you complete full page, children, and learn the spellings even. Okay, children. So this is your today's English class, children, and you can write 301 to 301. Here I will show you, children. 301 to 350 numbers you can write in your notebook. Okay, children. Bye bye, and we'll see you next session.